What's up, guys? Today I'm going to teach you guys how to get ChatGPT on your Android phone. You guys can get an awesome quick short app, like a shortcut to ChatGPT, making it very easy, very simple for you guys to use ChatGPT on your Android device. If you guys are new to the channel and you guys want some more ChatGPT content, make sure you guys do subscribe and hit the like button to let me know you guys want some more ChatGPT videos and tutorials. But let's get right to it. All right, so it's simple to do. Go in either Google Chrome or whatever browser you guys want to do, and go ahead and just type in ChatGPT, and you can go ahead and just go into whichever one. Go ahead and click on Try ChatGPT, and then you'll get this, just like so. It's gonna verify that you're human. You might have to go ahead and click that, and it'll give you guys like a login screen. So from here, go ahead and log into your ChatGPT account. So once you guys are in, you can go ahead and just click through next. So once you guys are going through it, just click next and done, and there you guys have it. You have ChatGPT on your web browser. But you want to go ahead and click on these three dots, just like so, and you'll see if you scroll down, it'll say add to home screen. Click that, and all you gotta do then is type in ChatGPT and add automatically. So there we have it. It's ChatGPT. You can go ahead and just click it, and it'll automatically put you guys straight back into ChatGPT. Now you guys know how to make ChatGPT on your Android phone. Very simple. If this video helped you out, make sure you guys let me know by hitting the like button. Subscribe if you guys are new, and if you guys want to watch some more ChatGPT tutorials, like how to get voice command on your phone with ChatGPT, make sure you guys do subscribe and stay tuned for that.